Hello everyone, welcome to PPS Spark. I am Karthik. Today we are going to learn about MIT App Inventor. MIT App Inventor is one of the easiest way to create your own Android application without having any coding knowledge. So in this video we are going to see about what is MIT App Inventor, who developed it, and why it's used for students and beginners. So key components overview.
Okay, let's go.
Now we are going to see what is MIT App Inventor. MIT App Inventor is a free web-based platform to create your own Android application using by dragging the flags. You don't have, in this case, you don't have writing to code like Java or Python or C++. So instead of writing your code, you can easily build your project by using the drag and drop for flags and combining two colorful flags like person pieces. So in this case, it's very user friendly and free to use easy and easy to access to everywhere and anywhere with your computer, with your internet and the Android mobile phone. So it has two main sessions. So first one is designer view, second is blocks view. Designer view for designing your user interface page and blocks view for programming the app logic, how your project works. So it supports the real-time testing on phone via AI2 campaign. So in this case, we need to develop the project and we need to test our project. So if you want to test your project, you need to download one APK file from your Play Store. So under who developed this? MIT App Inventor was really developed by Google in 2009 under the professor Hal Appelson from Massachusetts Institute of Technology, that is MIT Apple. So in 2012, Google officially handed over to the MIT in this project, who maintained now in this MIT App Inventor. So it's very easy and used global in school and university for STEM education. So not only STEM education, you can see a lot of opportunity and lot of competition in our country. So you can easily build your project without any coding knowledge. And it's maintained and improved by MIT Center for Mobile Learning now. And why it's useful for students. It's very beginner friendly and no prior coding knowledge required. So in this case, we don't need to any coding knowledge. We can easily build our own Android application without any coding knowledge. So build your logic, thinking, and problem solving. So in this case, students easily they're possible to build our logical thinking and problem solving skill in innovative thing. A lot of things the students will create and build from this. So under it's encourage the creativity and innovative app development. So in this MIT App Inventor, the students they can easily encourage by us to create their own application. So it allows students to turn idea into real. Once they have any idea to create the any application based on our API. So in this MLT app is very useful and allows to create their project and it show in the real time project. So and its working process is actively. So ideal for school students. It is not only for ideal school students. It is very beginner friendly. So everyone can easily access and build their own project using MIT App Inventor. Especially those who are starting to new to going to create one about the coding to create the own project. So key components overview. So before seeing the key components overview, we can easily access and log in. We need to log in the MIT App Inventor. So in this case, open the web browser and enter the MIT App Inventor. You can see the first link here. So this is the MIT App Inventor web portal. So just click this one. So here you can see the lot of information about MIT App Inventor. How many users day by day using in this MIT App Inventor? And this month only. The monthly basis you can see the how many users using MIT App Inventor. And you can see the project, simple project in this year. So if you want to know about MIT App Inventor components, just click the create apps. So in this case, you need to log in with your email ID for to create your project. So I already registered. If you want to, if you want to video about how to log in MIT App Inventor, comment in comment section. I will give you a video. So here you can see the user interface. This is the black interface. So already we discussed about user interface and the black user face. So these are the two main sessions for MIT App Inventor. So you can see that here components like button, checkbox, circular progress, data picker, image, label, linear progress, list picker, list view, notify. Lot of things you can see here. Layout, media, whatever you want, you can easily access and drag and drop here. So we are going to see lot of things. So button, already we know. For example, if you need to trigger anything, you can easily drag and drop here this button and then checkbox. Already we know checkbox why. In this the condition. So if you want to log in any website, in that case, they add some terms or conditions. So at the time we need to click the checkbox to verify. So the circle process, data picker. Data picker is nothing but if you want to pick any data, particular data from the any database, you can easily drag and drop here this data picker. And then image, if you want to add any image in your background, you can easily add this image. So and then label. If you want to show any message from the to others, we can easily click the label and drag and drop here. So after that, list picker. So list picker also same thing. If you want to search any data from the database in list, you can easily pick the list details. So on that you can see the notified. If you want to send any notification to user, you can easily use the notify option. So and then path and text box. So path and text box already we know. Whenever we are going to log in with our email ID, some websites, some website, most of our website or most of our clients, they ask the password from us. So at the time, we need to enter our password. Right? Same thing, no one don't see our password. So that's why we are using this password text box. So on a slider, if you want to move the slide, one slide to next slide, you can use the slider and then spin a switch and then text box. If you want to enter some text to the user to application, you can easily use the text box. File enter the email address. So and then time picker, web viewer, what are the things you want, you can easily access and drag here. So layout is very, very important for this because before build your project, you need to create your design. So this time you can create and you can use these layouts. Whatever you want for alignment, absolute alignment, horizontal alignment, table alignment, vertical scroll alignment, whatever you want, you can easily use. And then media, you can see the top camera, file picker, image picker, sound. If you want to add any sound button, you can easily click the sound player, sound recorder. If you want to record any sound, so you can easily record the sound record. And then translator, text to speech. If you want to create any application based on text to speech, for example, if you want to text anything and you want any output from the voice speech. So you can easily use the text to speech and then translator already you know. And then maps. If you want to create any maps or any click the any marker, you want to mark any location from your maps, you can easily use the marker navigation. So and then sensor, you can see the accelerometer sensor, barcode sensor, flag, gyroscope, whatever you want, you can easily use. And then contact picker, email picker, phone call. So already we know every mobile phone has one phone call option. So you can easily use and drag here. So now storage. Storage is very, very important. Whenever we are going to create any application, any basic application, we need to store the data using that application. So storage is very, very important. So file, spreadsheet, AnyDB is a local storage. So CloudDB is a online based storage, cloud storage. So connectivity, if you want to connect the wireless, for example, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, you can easily use here. So and then experimental chat box. If you want to create any chat box platform, chat box application, you can easily use the chat box. So then extension. If you want to add any extension, you need to download from the any other website. After that, you need to import the extension. So these are the user interface components. You can see here, right? So this is the properties for components. If you click the vertical element, you can see the properties. Whatever you want to change the alignment, background color, height, width, image. If you want to add any image, background image, you can easily add it here. So and then we are going to see the black session. So in the black session, you can see the control option, control logic, math, text, whatever you want, you can use. Control is nothing but if you want to add any if-else condition, you can easily add here. So and then logic, true or false, are equal to not equal to. And then math function. If you want to create the math-based application like calculator, you can easily choose the math operation. And then text, if you want to enter the any text or if you want to create any text-based application, you can use the black for text. So and then if you need to add any list from your application, you can easily use the list too. So create empty list, make a list, whatever you want, you can easily choose here. And then dictionaries color. If you want to add any color for notification, you can easily choose here. And then variable already we know what is variable. Variable is nothing but variable is one of the container to store our data. And then procedure you can see here. So these are the components or you can see here UI components, button, label, text box. So in this video already we discussed about UI components, layer components and media and sensor, connectivity and storage blocks. So I hope you guys really understood about MIT App Inventor, introduction of MIT App Inventor. If you have any doubt, comment in comment section and don't forget to like and share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.